Hello, pre-calc class. This is Mrs. Landry. I'm going to continue on the lesson for the parabola. This is day 2, and I think I'm going to make it make really short lessons, so we'll probably do another day on this tomorrow. So this is part 2. Now we're looking at the parabola that's not opening upward or downward, but the ones that open sideways. Okay, so when we had a parabola that opens upward or downward, those were functions, and they were y is equal to x squared form. Now, when we have a parabola that opens sideways, either to the right or in the next slide, you will see it opens to the left. These are not functions because it doesn't pass the vertical line test. And these are of the form where x is equal to y squared. So it's basically a parabola that is turned on its side. So instead of y is equal to x squared, we need to write it as an x is equal to y squared. So the format of the formulas are the same. We just have x on the left side, x minus h, is equal to 1 over 4a, where a is the positive distance between the focus and the vertex, or the directrix and the vertex, and times y minus k, quantity squared. Remember 4a, or a is always positive, and in this case, the coefficient of y squared stays positive because when the parabola opens to the right. So this is the equation for the right opening parabola. Okay, so the next slide. This is when the parabola opens to the left. So the focus is on the left side, directrix to the right, and vertex in between with a, the distance between vertex and focus, vertex and directrix, defined the same way, where a is positive. So this kind of parabola, the equation is x minus h. Again, this is x is equal to y squared. X minus h is equal to negative 1 over 4a. The coefficient of the y squared is negative. Since a is always positive, we put a negative sign here, times y minus k squared.